Hello guys, welcome. This is Finstock EVarsity. Today we are going to be showing you guys how you can because we've been telling you enroll for courses at Finstock EVarsity College, visit their website. So today we are going to be doing that together so that if you want to enroll, you will have an easy time while doing that. Yeah. So I'm going to be sharing my screen so that you guys can follow along. And we are going to do that here together so you can see whatever I'm doing in my laptop, and you can go do the same if you're having trouble enrolling and taking maybe a course. So we are going to register for a course, and you're just going to come here, go to your browser, whatever you, and enroll for a course super easily. So what you're going to do, and you're just going to come here, go to your browser, whatever you use, so that you guys can, maybe Chrome, maybe if you use Chrome
any browser you use, and then just
any website that you use to browse. So let's type Finstock EVarsity. Just go type Finstock
EVarsity,
and it will just pop up right there. So you have to click this one. This is the first
website right here. Click on that. Yeah, we are trying to apply for a course. I'm sure that you guys are following along. So go to Google Chrome, whatever browser you use, and type Finstock EVarsity. Then you see the website and just scroll down. Here you have a variety of courses that you can choose from, and you can even type a specific course that you want. Yeah, but you can even choose from right here. And if you have a specific course, because their courses are endless, there are so many, so you can choose any course you want. Let's register for certified fraud examiner. So just click on the register now, and as we told you guys, these courses are very affordable, as you can see. So we have the name of the course here, and it's a certificate. We have diploma in the same course, and certificates and degrees and all that. You have the price right there. So just click on register now. So we are registering for this course called certified fraud examiner. So what you'll do is just come right here and fill in your details, and like your surname. Let's put something like Washira. Yeah, you put Washira right there. Then first name, put something like Patrick. Patrick right here. Middle name, we put something like Mugo. Yeah. Yeah, then come right here and type your phone number. You already have the country code, which is 254. So just type 4746349, or something like 26263. Doesn't matter. Just type your number and your email address. Let's type something like kidward@gmail.com. Then verify your email. Just click on the same. Then your country is Kenya, or any other country you are in. You can type your, in this case we'll just leave at that because it's in Kenya. Then we say Nairobi right here, Nairobi. Then for the state county we say something like Ruiru. Yeah, then scroll down, name of the course right there, certified fraud examiner. Then we have additional information here. As you can see, we have how did you learn about us? Please tick the most applicable. So this is where you get to see, like for example, this YouTube video, you might learn about Finstock EVarsity here. So you just click on, you have colleague, friend, family, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Google, agent, and others. So let's click on YouTube right there. And then I have confirmed that the information I have given here is correct, which is correct. So just click on yes, and then click on submit and pay. And the process is going to begin. And then now what will happen, they'll reach out to you in your email. So here you can choose the process you want to pay. Yeah, you can choose the process you want to pay with PayPal, EcoBank, Equity. Yeah, just choose on the process you want to pay, and then you're going to pick it from there. For example, maybe someone want to pay with Equity. Yeah, scroll right here. You can proceed to dashboard, and then you'll have been given a portal, a login, which you'll use. Now because it will be sent as part of your submission letter in your email. So then you can add on that and put those details right here, And then the next is going to be you guys starting to enroll for the classes with your lecturers. Yeah, such an easy process. Yeah,
That is it, guys. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be very proud to get back to you and answer your question and do whatever I can to make sure that your issue is solved. If you want to reach out to Finstock EVarsity College, their website is www.finstockevarsity.com, or you can email them at info@finstockevarsity.com. You can also call their customer care number at 0703 313 722. That is it, guys. Until next time, peace.